Okay, welcome back everybody. So, as you can see, we're still talking about tell sentences and show sentences. Now what we'll do is we'll kind of get a little creative with these sentences inside of paragraphs, start to take a look at structuring them to make a good paragraph and what that would look like. So, we said in previous video that it's more important to have show than tell. So with that said, let's go ahead and get some more show in there, right? So here I have some more show sentences than tell, right? So we're starting to build the paragraph, and what a lot of beginning writers, common question they ask is, how many sentences do I need? And the answer to that is, as a reader, I don't go in and count sentences. When you look at that paragraph on the page, when it's indented, when you look at that block of text, it should be a nice healthy paragraph. And that's what the real indicator is. A good target number, I always tell people, would be 5 to 8 sentences would be a good target number. Don't want to really go below 5 sentences. And likewise, when you have a paragraph on the page and it starts to get too long, then that might be an indication that something has gone wrong within that paragraph. So that'd be a little warning sign there. So now what we can do is we can start to talk about structuring these sentences inside. In other words, we have some stuff going on in here, so what should we do? Well, a good model to follow for beginning writers is this one. And what I call this the sandwich model. Could be a hamburger or a BLT, whatever your favorite sandwich is. And reason being, call this the sandwich model, is that if we look at it, what we can see is that at the top and the bottom, we have tell sentences. Tell sentences function like slices of bread. And what they do is they keep all of the show sentences, the development, together, right? Looks like a sandwich. Now, what we can do next is we can take a look at the names using the sandwich model, what these different sentences are named. So that tell sentence, it is topic sentence. Then the show sentences are supporting sentences. And I like this word support because what does it mean? It means to hold up, right? It means to hold up. So support, these supporting sentences, these supporting show sentences, what they do is they hold up the topic sentence of that paragraph. And then at the bottom, what do we have? We have a concluding sentence. So again, this is the sandwich model, a nice hamburger, BLT, club sandwich, whatever your favorite is. And a lot of folks wonder, do I have to structure my paragraphs like this? And of course the answer is no, you don't. You don't have to. But I always caution beginning writers that if you take away this, you have a chance of creating a mess on a plate. Why is it? Why? Because the reader could easily not know what the purpose of this paragraph is, which is provided by the topic sentence. Likewise, it's good to have a concluding sentence in there. That way, when the reader goes through and hits the bottom, the reader's reminded, and it keeps everything nice and contained. This is a really good model here. Now, what a lot of folks do is once they become confident and build some skills, a lot of folks structure a paragraph like this. The topic sentence at the top, and then the support underneath. This is what I call the capital T. See how it makes a capital T? Another way to structure it would be to put the topic sentence at the bottom You can see that, or you can actually find some paragraphs, not too many, that have the topic sentence inserted into the middle. So again, the method that I always encourage folks when they're starting out, build some confidence, is the sandwich model. So that way we can get that really clear structure of the paragraph in place.